Hi, my name is Sunny here at Evo, and this is the Blizzard Samba. The Blizzard Samba is a super versatile ski. It's 98 millimeters under in the waist, so it's a ski that you can ski every day. You can take this thing on groomers and lay down turns, or ski it in the POW. It has a 19-meter turn radius, so kind of a medium to larger turn radius, but definitely will still make some good turns. It's a full sidewall construction, and you can see it has quite a bit of rocker in the tip, starting here and going on up, and then a lot of camber underfoot, almost all the way camber back, and then just a tiny bit of tail rocker down there. Blizzard uses a flip core construction, so their cores actually go into the mold as they come out, so they're known for that. This is an award-winning ski. It also, they don't put any graphics on their base, so the bases are super fast, nice, just like black bases. That's it, the Blizzard Samba.